In our HTML, we've got titles, and the titles show up within the tabs here. We can see this is the actual title of the page, projectsdiscoveryvip.com, and also when you get indexed by search engines, they're going to use this title. So this is really important for SEO purposes, and it's also important for SEO purposes as well as for navigation of your website to be able to indicate what the website is about. So title is generally a brief outline of the content and using the most important words that will describe that particular content. And in order to create titles for a web page, it's done within the head section of your HTML code, and as we can see here, we've got titles. So opening, closing tags for title, and much like the other HTML elements, whatever content is placed between, this is going to be the title. So this is the new title. And going back out to our code, when I refresh it, we see that it actually changes here within that tab. And if I had a bunch of tabs, if I went to another tab, I can really easily see that this is the new title. So this should be descriptive of that current page that you're on and that you're working on. A lot of times people will have multiple tabs open, and this is where the title is important, as well as, again, for SEO purposes and overall structure of your pages. You should always include a title in order to indicate what that page is about. So both for usability and for SEO purposes, title is important. You should also try to keep your title to be fairly short. You don't want to have a really long run-on title because again, remember that this gets indexed by SEO, by search engines, and they're going to be displaying this as a title within the search results as well. So try to keep it short, brief, and descriptive of the content.